What's going on, guys? Welcome back. For the last few videos, the past 4 or 5 videos have all been theory, have all just been me looking at diagrams, telling you guys what the diagram does. But let's go ahead and start practicing. Now, if you want to code along with me, what I would recommend is hopping on Replit, or if you have Codecademy yourself, starting up a web or a workspace, or you can use any online IDE like online GDP. Uh, any IDE will work for this, but let's go ahead and start. So let's practice using HTML elements by writing a few different tags. Here are a few common tags that you can start getting familiar with. So this is a heading. It emphasizes text, so it's the H1 is the heading. P is the paragraph. It's the most common tag for larger chunks of text. Now this is an anchor tag, used to specify the text as an anchor for a link. This is a button, so it's just a simple button. Okay. So we have the heading, so H1, we have the P, paragraph, we have the A, which is the anchor, and then the button, which can be a button. So let's make the heading stand out. Put an opening and closing H1 tag around the text that says Jet Setter Travel Agency. Here we go. This is our first HTML code. Code. Right there. Let's go ahead and run it. Beautiful. Look at that. That just, man, that's just changed my day. That is amazing. Now put an opening and closing P with the tag around the long paragraph. I'm guessing it's right here. So P, and then we'll end it right here. Okay, let's run it. And then put an opening and closing button tag around the text that says click here. So we'll do button, and then slash button. Beautiful and perfect. Look at this, guys. We just created this. Like, technically the content was stolen, but it looks so much better now. So that's gonna end it for this video. So these are the common tags in HTML, basically. The header, the paragraph, the button, and then the anchor as well. And someone said, what happens if we don't add a closing tag? Now, before I do look at the answer, I'm just going to go ahead and test it out right here. Let's remove this, see what happens. Boom. That's interesting, actually. Yeah, that's interesting, right? Okay. So that's going to end the video. Hope you guys had a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one.